Are you looking to remove duplicate notes in Outlook? We've got you covered. We'll show you 2 easy ways to remove duplicate notes in Outlook. Let's start with the manual method to remove duplicate notes Outlook. Open Outlook, go to Notes, Review and select duplicate notes manually. Press Delete to remove them. Now let's check the Pro method to remove duplicate calendar items in Outlook. That's where the BitRecover Outlook Duplicate Remover Wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our Outlook Notes Cleanup tool. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add Outlook data using auto or manual mode. Select the Notes folder. Select Remove Duplicates, within or across folders. Pick a destination path. Click Extract to start the process. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.